Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to add your products in the Younote application. We are currently on the home page. To begin, navigate to the product module and select My Products from the bottom section. This will bring up your product list. To add a new product, click on the plus icon located at the top right corner. This will open the product form page. Now fill in all the mandatory fields. Select the appropriate type. Enter your product name and add description. Provide the SKU quantity, SKU unit, and sales unit details. Enter the HSN code and GST percentage for accurate GST billing. Add your product's MRP and any other price details here. To make your product listing visually appealing, you can add an image using the import option. Once all the details are entered, click Save. Your new product will now appear in the product list. Thank you for watching and happy using Younote.